Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alexander. My reading story title is The Fox Who Had Lost His Tail. A fox caught in a trap escaped, but in so doing lost his tail. Thereafter, feeling his life a burden from the shame and ridicule which he was exposed, he schemed to convince all the other foxes that being tailless was much more attractive, thus making up for his own deprivation. He assembled a good many foxes and probably advised them to cut off their tails, saying that they would not get rid of the weight of the brush, which was very great inconvenience. One of them interrupting him and said, "If you had not yourself lost your tail, my friend, you would not console us." Thank you for listening my reading story.